Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and I did my table topics presentation and paper over getting the flu shot versus not getting the flu shot. To start off, I want to talk about some flu myths versus flu facts. The first myth is vaccines are proven not to prevent the flu, but the fact is you are at least 60% less likely to become infected with the influenza virus when you get the flu shot. The second myth is the flu vaccine can give me the flu. Well, the fact against that is that flu viruses used in flu shots are inactivated, so they cannot cause an infection. The third myth is I should wait to get vaccinated so I am covered until the end of the season. The fact against time is get the flu vaccine as soon as possible because it can take 2 weeks to develop antibodies. The fourth myth is the flu nasal spray is just as effective as the flu shot. And the fact is, the nasal spray is not effective, and you should get the flu shot to be properly vaccinated. The last myth is the flu shot will protect me from every type of flu virus. And the fact against that is the flu shot is designed yearly to protect against the highest risk slash actively circulating strain of the flu vaccine. So when I was doing research, I came across why people think they shouldn't get the shot, and I just thought it was kind of selfish of them to say these things just because they don't want to get it because it could give you the flu, which we already discussed. It's a myth. You could have a sore arm, you could develop a headache, you could have a mild fever, chills, nausea, or vomiting, and sweating. I just feel like those are just selfish reasons not to get this vaccine because as a healthcare provider and worker, I want to be able to protect the patients I go into the rooms with and to protect everyone that I care and love around me. So, when I was doing the research on why people think you should get the vaccine, I came across getting the flu shot can save your life and lower the severity if you were to get sick. Getting the shot can reduce your sick days at work. So, if you're reducing your sick days at work, then you can save more money because you'll make more money and you will avoid having days off. Most people are eligible for it. The CDC makes it really easy for everybody to get the vaccine. They all pharmacies have it. Doctor's office has it. I know pharmacies set up like clinics around the community to give it to people. Um, if you're a student and you go to college, their campus health will have it and be able to give it to you. There are two different types of strains for the flu shot each year. There's one for people who are 64 and younger, and one for 65 and older, just because between everybody, we all have different um, immune systems. So the ones who are older obviously need a higher strain to protect themselves than the ones that are younger. We already discussed this with the myth, but you will not get the flu shot or the flu from getting the flu shot just because it's an inactive virus. The flu shot changes year to year because there are different strains, so they just take the possibility of what is going to be coming around the next year, and that's how they develop the shot. And then the flu shot sides are mild. You'll have a sore arm, which is common. You may develop um, a mild, like cold or fever, just because that's your body working with the virus to get you protected. And then those are my references.